We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello my lovely beautiful people, it's Odette. Merry Christmas to you guys. It's Christmas Eve, it's Sunday today. Christmas Day is tomorrow. I hope you guys are doing really well, and I wish you guys a Merry Christmas with your friends and your families and your loved ones. Have a fantastic time. Welcome to my channel. And so today, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Odette. Welcome. Please subscribe, thumbs up this video, watch the video to the end. And I try not to make the videos too boring for you guys and too long, but I always want you guys to be inspired every time you watch my videos. So of course today we do have a fashion video for you guys. It's a bit of a haul, a little bit of everything. And these are really nice pieces I think you guys are going to like, from NIELLASCREATIon and also from Temu. And of course if you are entertaining this Christmas season for New Year's Eve, these are really good fashions for you guys. Some of them you would have already seen on my Instagram stories, or maybe just on Instagram on my post. But these are really key pieces, and we're just going to get started. So we are going to start with this little black number. If I can just get it together, I will show you this dress. And here it is. You guys would have seen this on Instagram yesterday because I posted that video yesterday. This is a simple, beautiful black dress, boat neck. This dress can be worn off the shoulder, hence the fact that you do have this beautiful pull strings on both sides. And what I love about this dress, it has a beautiful slit to the side. You guys are going to see this in a video. And I just want to show you guys, it's an extra large, size 12. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, extra large is a size 12. So of course, if you do have my size, if you're in my size range, this is going to fit you. Beautiful hidden zipper to the back. I just put a brooch on the belt just for a little bit of style. You can get rid of the belt. You can put your own belt on. Something silver, rose gold, something black, something red, anything to kind of jazz this up a little bit. Great for this time of the year. And of course, if you're entertaining your guests, if you're going to your Christmas parties, Christmas get-together, this is a perfect dress you can wear. I love the fact that it has a beautiful flare-ish feeling just around the tail end of the dress. And I love the slit. And of course, I was wearing my Spanx body shaper under this. I'm just telling you exactly what's going on. I'm not going to be hiding anything from you guys. I am not a size 2. I don't intend to be a size 2. I do wear my body shapers, okay? And so this dress doesn't really require a lot of work. Maybe a very tiny jewelry around the neck, something very small and dainty would be great, as opposed to wearing something chunky, because you don't want to take away from the style of the dress. It is very pretty. This is from Temu. The price is going to be in the description box for you guys as well. Really lovely. Let me just show you guys this top. This is an animal print top, and I really love this top as well. And first of all, I gotta say something. If you guys are on a strict budget, and if you want to look very stylish, inexpensive, elegant, Temu is the way to go. You just have to look through the website and find things that matches your style, and these pieces are very inexpensive. This is a beautiful top, and it has the elastic to the end of the sleeves right here. Very comfortable. Now you can wear this on its own just like that. Just let it fall over maybe a pencil skirt or a legging, pair of jeans. You can half tuck this to the front, tuck this into the back. You can absolutely blouse this on and have this blouse on over. It has a lovely little button to the back. It's almost like a slight turtleneck feeling, but it really isn't. It's a beautiful top, animal print. The material feels really substantial. And again, I love the sleeves. And this is a size 12. And I think, let me just see. It's also an extra large. Yes, it's an extra large, which means it's a size 12. There you guys can see it, okay, because I want you guys to be aware of what I'm wearing. It fits absolutely perfect. It doesn't have any stretch to it, but the material feels really, really small. Again, you can just wear this on its own. If you want to put a belt to the waist, you can go right ahead, but I think it looks really lovely if you can just blouse this on over, which would be great. Gorgeous animal print, not too bold, not too bright, but no, it's a very, very subtle material, and I really like it. I love the way it feels. It's nice and soft. And I'm just going to show you guys this handbag. I love this handbag. This is also from Temu. I'm going to leave the price in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to tell you, I am one of those people who likes to carry a bag where I can put at least a bottle of water or maybe some mints or something like that in my bag, because I'm a type of person, if I am hungry, just watch out. Just keep your distance already, because it's gonna be messy. If you know that I'm hungry and there is nothing in my bag to eat, the whole world is gonna fall apart, okay? So I always like to carry a bag where I can at least put something in my bag where I can munch on, okay? So I went out to meet a friend of mine yesterday, and I carry this bag. It's not very big. I do have a few things in here, my wallet, and of course, always have nuts in my bag, and I always have a juice box as well, because listen, like I said, you know, as long as my mind knows that I do have something in my bag to eat or drink, I would feel really good. And of course, you do have a lovely zipper to the front, okay? And this is a simple Girl Friday bag. You know, it's a Friday during the winter, during the spring, during the summer. You get together with your girlfriend. You just put this on your shoulder. This is from Temu. I mean, like, guys, I mean, come on. You cannot get anything better than this. I love the size of this bag. It holds nicely over your shoulder. Perfect, perfect, beautiful bag. Very inexpensive. And again, if you are on a budget and you want to look elegant and stylish, Temu is the place for you. You don't have to keep up with the Joneses and buy an expensive Chanel bag if you can't afford it. Listen, I'm getting my bags from Temu, and I wear them with style, and I wear them with confidence. This is a beautiful bag. Love it. And again, it fits right over the shoulder. It's just enough of a height to fit over your shoulders. It is absolutely stunning. Love it. And the material feels really, really firm, and it's a very almost soft bag, but it's a substantial build, and I do like it. It's just a lovely, lovely, lovely bag. So let's talk about Miss Nellia's creation. I ordered from her this lounge set, and I gotta tell you guys, let me get it. It's just hanging right here. The first thing I did was I wore this, the top, to a Christmas party, and the compliments I got from this top was ridiculous. Everybody commented on the top. And you guys, of course, are going to see this on. It's a two-piece lounge set. And I have to say a huge congratulations to Miss Nellia, because she did a fantastic job with this piece. And you know, guys, a bell sleeve. You know I love a bell sleeve already. You know that, right? And this is a size 12, which is a size 12 US, I think it is, which is a size large. Because at first, this is an exchange, because I thought the sizing was a little bit confusing to me, because I wasn't quite sure how to place myself in the size, because, you know, listen, I'm a woman, I'm over 50, I go up and down in weight all the time, and so I had ordered a size 16, so Nellia was even confused. She was like, but you're not bigger than me, why are you ordering a size 16? She was a little confused by that. I mean, listen, I wasn't quite sure either. And of course, I purchased this, and when I tried it on, it was too big, and I knew the 14 was going to be too big as well. This is a size large, it's a size 12, and when I tell you, ladies, the most perfect fit. The only thing I'm going to say, which is not anything negative, the only thing I'm going to say is that I feel like the pants is too long. It doesn't have to be this long, but I mean, of course, it's a lounge outfit, but I mean, if you want to go by the pool, I don't really want the feet of my pants of my lounge outfit to be dragging on the floor. Now I can take this to get this altered, just the pants, but I'm gonna tell you something. If I take this to get it altered, I am gonna have to go to the back of that room and watch that person like a hawk, because if this goes missing, we're gonna have some problems. Okay, I am gonna have to watch you cut this pants, adjust the leg, and just hand it to me. I am gonna do the ironing myself, because I am really nervous to take this to get the pants altered again, because it's just a little bit too long. Other than that, it is a fine, incredibly beautiful, stunning garment. This is silk. She's got the orange as well, and I think she's also got the purple. But this is a fantastic, beautiful outfit. Nelia, how can this be lounge? This cannot be a lounge outfit. This is something you can go to a party with. I wore the top to my Christmas dinner for work. I did. I'm thinking, well, I want to look better than everybody else, so I'm wearing this top. It is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Great for this time of year. Again, great for entertaining, great for lounging. I mean, you have people coming over, you get yourself all dressed up and you put on your silk lounge outfit. You're going to be the talk of the town. Okay, you definitely will be. So the last thing we're going to talk about is this beautiful poncho. Oh my God. This is a beautiful red poncho. It is soft. It is beautiful. It's gorgeous. And you can wear this to the, you can wear this anyhow you want. You can just put the buttons to the front, wear a tank top to the bottom, and have this like an overthrow, like a top. You can just put this to the side, put this to the left, put the buttons to the back. You can wear this however you want. You've got the beautiful, gorgeous buttons to the side right here. And of course, with the buttons, you can just pull them apart, okay? Or if you just want to keep this completely open, you can wear this as a scarf as well, okay? It is quite large, quite big, very, very soft and beautiful. And I am going to be definitely wearing this for the springtime season, and great for this time of year as well. And great for this time of year as well. So these are just a few of my Christmas fashion haul that I wanted to share with you guys, again from Temu and from Nellia's Creation. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, and I hope you will have a chance to pick up on one or two things that I do have here. Again, from Temu, if you're looking for some stylish fashions, Temu is the place to go. So we are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Merry Christmas to you guys, and I wish you a fantastic, beautiful new year. I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.